Exploring German family vocabulary for beginners. Learning a new language involves not just words, but also understanding the cultural nuances. In this lesson, we delve into the German vocabulary related to family, building on our previous knowledge of possessive articles. Let's navigate the intricacies of talking about family members in German. German family words. In German, family holds a significant place, and having a grasp of family-related terms is crucial. Here are some key words to get you started. Die Family, the family. Der Vater, the father. Die Mutter, the mother. Die Eltern, the parents. Der Bruder, the brother. Die Schwester, the sister. Die Geschwister, the siblings. In Swiss German, you might encounter das Geschwister to refer to siblings. It's essential to note the plural form, which is die Geschwister, extended family. Beyond immediate family, understanding terms for extended family members enriches your vocabulary. Here are some additions. Der Großvater Opa, the grandfather. Die Großmutter Oma, the grandmother. Die Großeltern, the grandparents. Der Onkel, the uncle. Die Tante, the aunt. Die Cousine, the female cousin. Der Cousin, the male cousin. Describing your family. Once you've acquired these words, expressing the size of your family becomes easier. In German, you can say, Mein Family ist groß, my family is big, or Mein Family ist klein, my family is small. Building your family tree. To visualize and practice these relationships, consider creating your Familienbaum family tree. Here's an example. Mein Familienbaum, mein Großvater Opa, mein Großmutter Oma, mein Vater, mein Mutter, mein Bruder, mein Schwester, mein Onkel, mein Tante, mein Cousin, mein Cousin. Conclusion. Understanding family vocabulary in German is not just about words. It's about connecting with the culture and expressing relationships. As you navigate through these terms, don't forget to practice by describing your own family in German. Auf Wiedersehen.